Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cooking and seasoning the chicken so the salad has structure and flavor. Heat retains juices, while proper seasoning prevents blandness. Start now. Sear or bake 2 breasts at 180 degrees C for 20-25 minutes, or poach for 15 minutes until internal temp reaches 74 degrees C. While chicken cooks, dice 1 cup celery and half a red onion for crunch. Measure half a cup mayo and 2 tablespoons lemon for a balanced dressing. Once done, let chicken rest 5 minutes before shredding. Once your chicken is cooled and shredded, focus on texture and balance. Shredding into bite-sized pieces helps the dressing cling without turning mushy. Combine the mayo-lemon base with 1/4 cup Greek yogurt for tang and lighter mouthfeel, then fold it gently into the chicken, celery, and onion so everything coats evenly. Add half a cup chopped grapes or apple for sweetness and a 1/4 cup toasted nuts for crunch. Mixing gently preserves texture and layers of flavor, rather than breaking ingredients down. You now compose the bowl so each spoonful hits all taste elements. Start with a bed of greens, add 1 cup cooked quinoa or rice for bulk, and mound 1½ cups of the chicken salad in the center. Finish with chopped herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and 1 tablespoon olive oil to brighten flavors and add shine. If the dressing is too thin, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons mayo or yogurt. If it's too salty, briefly rest a peeled potato chunk in the salad to draw out excess.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.